Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to inject Exodus into Red Dead Redemption 2. First, make sure your game is completely closed before you begin. You will need to download the Exodus injector and the specific mod files you wish to use from a reliable source. It is also crucial to confirm that your game version is compatible with the Exodus mod menu. Lastly, temporarily disable your antivirus software to ensure a smooth installation process without any interruptions. Now let's prepare your files. After downloading, extract all the Exodus files into a new folder on your desktop for easy access. Next, you need to find your Red Dead Redemption 2 game directory, usually located in your program files. Once found, move the Exodus Injector executable file directly into this main game folder. Double-check that all supporting files, like any DLLs, are also placed correctly beside the injector for proper function. With your files ready, it's time to inject. Right-click the Exodus Injector executable and run it as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary permissions. Inside the injector application, carefully select the Red Dead Redemption 2 game process from the available options. Then, simply click the Inject button to start the injection. You should see a confirmation message appear, indicating that Exodus has been successfully loaded into your game. Finally, after successful injection, launch Red Dead Redemption 2. Once in game, press the designated key, often Insert or F4, to open the Exodus mod menu. You can then customize your settings and enjoy the new features. If you encounter any problems, try re-enabling your antivirus to check for any quarantined files that might have been moved. For more specific issues, the Exodus community forums are an excellent resource for troubleshooting and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.